I'm in my prime, optimist, Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep it all real, I'm a prophetess. So at least you took a L off your bucket list. It's time to make hits and it's time to diss. How you still diss and still can't find some hits? Was it worth it, dummy? I ain't mind a bit. Still on that show, getting no chips, time to dip.
I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since I brought you my last wig review. So the wig that I'm bringing to you today is this beautiful bob that I have on my hair right now. It's really edgy, it's really classy, it's really sleek. It's a blunt cut asymmetrical bob by Brown Sugar, and I'm in love with it. And I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about this wig so you can, you know, get hip to the game, okay? This is what the package looks like. And it just says Brown Sugar Human Hairstyle Mix. And the style that I have in the wig is BS132. And I have it in the color 1B. Now, this is not a lace front wig. This is a full wig. And when you get the wig, it's not going to come with any lace. It doesn't have any combs in it. So there are no combs up here, no combs back here. Only thing you get is an adjustable strap. So I do recommend tightening the strap as tight as you can stand it so that it can stay on your head. And if you feel like that's not enough, then I do recommend securing it with a few bobby pins. It's going to come with the parting looking like this. So I didn't have to cut anything off of this. The parting was pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck a few extra hairs out just to get the look that I wanted. And I did add some concealer to it. But that's all I did. It's a synthetic wig, but you can see that it moves a lot. It has body. I've been wearing it for, it's been a week now. It'll be 2 weeks this weekend. So this is just what a week's worth of wear looks like. And I think it still looks really good. It did come with a few baby hairs. I don't know if you can tell. Only thing I did was went in with my edge control and I just put some of my baby hairs out with the fake baby hairs to kind of make it blend better. And that's how it's looking. So let me turn around so y'all can see the back of the hair. Yes, that's that 360. Bring it back around town and hit them with the, hit them. Quit playing with me, first of all, because this wig is bomb. So if you don't want the wig, you know, just tell your sister, tell your mama, because, I mean, I don't see who wouldn't want this wig. I'm not going to get any tangling. I haven't gotten any tangling with this wig thus far. Like, none. And I'm pretty sure it's because of the length of it, but, like, it's no tangling. All you got to do is keep your brush to comb it if you feel like it's getting stiff or if you feel like it's getting tangled back there. But, I mean, hey. It's a nice bob. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, it's not really much more I can say about this wig because, I mean, it's bomb. At this point, I just be rambling. So, if you're looking for something that's sophisticated, that's classy, that's like, you know, bad and bougie, you need this wig, okay? Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing to talk about. This is bomb. End of story. Point blank, period. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment and share this video, you guys. And thank you so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Bye. It's bomb. Like, it's bomb.com. Get this wig, guys.